game. It's off. Don't need the backstory. Special.
Got a selection of good things on sale. What are you selling?
Right, so because it's a plus game, obviously.
Is that all, stranger?
Some of the weapons.
Thank you.
Skip.
Leon, I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we'll skip that as well.
Good.
Let's load up the PRL. You get this by completing the game on Pro mode. It's well worth doing. It's a good weapon. You go around again, have a bit of fun and a laugh. I like to use some of the other weapons. We also got the infinite rocket launcher. Very expensive though, at $1 million to buy it. But we got lots of credits. So, as I said, going around the game a few times, we got just about multiples of everything. And even done everything on the shooting range. So... I'm not sure why everyone normally goes straight in there and they avoid this crate. Half the time there's nothing in it, like that, so probably better off avoiding it. Trying to trip me up, look. And we'll skip that. And we'll skip that.
There was no...
Yeah, what?
Obviously, when you're first playing the game, you really want to get the red 9 as soon as you can. It's the best pistol in the game, in my opinion. Thank you. So for me, I play seated. I put the height around 5'11", movement style, free, smooth. Slow the turn speed down a bit. I got quick turn on 180. I use that quite a lot. It helps with the VR sickness. Holster offsets off. Tunneling light. I found that helped a lot with my VR sickness. Quite a lot. I'm turning these two off. Alright, there we go. And play with the skulls, because everybody does. Eee. You know what, let's help the doggy. He helps us later if we help him now. I do love doing that with a knife as well. Woo! No. So this is quite good in a way that you can charge it, holding the button, and then fire a blast, or just a quick press. It's like letting off a flash grenade. Quite handy when you just want to stun something like that. Early on in the game as well, you're going to want to kick as many players as you can to the ground, and then use your knife on them. Saves on ammo. And there's a good way on here to save with ammo as well. Get through that. Let me check. I like having a little bit of fun with the mines, right? So normally people go down and you're running on the left hand side. Go in, grab your shotgun and start blasting away. You use up quite a lot of ammo early on doing that, so there is a way to avoid it. You want to go in the building on the right. So you go past the bonfire and on the right, shoot 2 holes in the door, and then you can just use your knife through the door. Let's give it a go. Popping in, 180. Couple holes in the door, and that's it. Just have to watch people with axes. They do throw them like that. See that one coming. You got something to throw? Yes. And that's it. Saved loads of ammo. Yep.
Got it.
So now you didn't waste loads of ammo. You can go around picking everything up. Oh, not a grenade. That's a chicken egg. Look. Keep grabbing that grenade. All this is like ammo and everything you'd have just used up when you come in here. The guy with the chainsaw would come get you. I'll probably haven't got room for that at the moment. I'll get that the second time. But you get a nice healthy stock of ammo just by going in the right hand building rather than the left hand one. Just makes more sense. Another empty one. There's nothing in it. A good tip for in here is when you first play again, you can make money. It's tedious, but you pick up the chicken eggs, and then once you've opened up the tunnels to the merchant, you just collect a load of them up, take them back, sell them, come back, and keep repeating that. If you're in here and the chickens stop laying, all you do is go back out through the door, back in, it resets it all, and you just keep collecting. Good couple 100,000 to allow you rocket launchers to take on most of the bosses and stuff, so it's kind of handy. You shoot 10 of them and you can get a free weapon off the merchant, which is good to sell. Oh, pick up. The only thing you don't want to do is shoot any of the chickens, because if you kill them, they stay dead, even if you go out and reset. Grenade behind there. Thank you. Always doing it. Six, and that's the last one around it. And like I say, you only need 10, but there's another 8 in the graveyard later on. That's it in that one. And if you drop down into this little area here, we get a beer stein. Always handy for selling treasures and that. Obviously, I've been around a couple of times, so I'll keep mine. I think if I was to sell all mine, I think I'd get about 3 million for them. And a big boulder. Here we go. Hi, guys. total waste is you can never collect what they drop, but yeah, I just like shooting them. Alright, these guys, I'm going to try and just shoot his hand where the dynamite is. Oh, missed. I'll just shoot the dynamite. Boom! This guy's a little bit harder to get. There we go. Oh, I hate these spiders. They can't attack you or do anything, but I just really don't like them. I don't like spiders. There's a cat's eye up in here. Oh, missed. That goes on the beer stein. You put 3 of them on there, you can sell it for more money than it's worth, like by itself. Is bigger than I thought. Couldn't squeeze through. Skip that one. Not worried about saving. Let's go.
Feeble humans, let us give you our power. Become unable to resist this intoxicating power.
Hey, wake up.
Skip.
It's Leon. Sorry I couldn't get in touch sooner, but I was a bit tied up.
Skip. Now we go sell everything to the merchant.
Over here, got something?
Yep.
Got a selection of good. What are you selling?
Everything.
Is that all, stranger?
Oh, keep them. Keep all of them. These I sell. Keep these for health. This one is worth like 10,000. So
I'll buy it.
early on in the game, they're worth
price.
selling. I mean, we don't have to now, but I still do because you collect enough health through the game when you got these weapons.
Thank you.
red herb. Thank you. It's worth noting some of the crates have got the same stuff in every time you play, others random. So you kind of get used to what's where. What we got at the moment? We got the last one. Guys with the dynamite. Come on, guys, you can throw better than that. There we go. Whoa! Didn't see that one. And that's what happens when I get cocky. Which happens to me quite often. Let's take that out. Stick. So normally you can just like run in, go in, shoot the 3 guys in there, jump up there to the treasure chest, get half the key that you need, and then just make your way up here. You don't have to shoot your way through them all, but I just enjoy doing it. Just grab that, you can kind of just make a run for the door over there. You know, if you got time, you definitely want to come in here and get your yellow herb. Nothing. Hello, mask. Got to try and remember that. Lots of times I actually forget to pick it up. Gimme. Right, these guys throw dynamite. Trick is, when you first play, obviously, because it's got the rocket launcher and all the rest of it, but you just want to shoot the stick of dynamite. Take them out in one go. Knife on these, save your ammo. You can hear them treading in water, they're near the door. And that's the door opening. The music stopped again, so whenever that stops, there's nothing left for you to explore. Hey, mask. Hello. This next guy normally spends all his time pointing at you, so you can just run up and shoot him in the face. Hello. And if you're ever running short on health, you can use fish. Space. There we go. Big fish. And we're full. Is it just me, or does sometimes that look like a little cheap knockoff of Batman? Probably just me. That's the key we need. Another bit of paper. Time to meet the big guy.
Nuestro jefe se cuidará de la rata.
Behind
Y
you.
la plaga es mucho mejor que la nuestra.
We'll skip that.
Leon, I've been able to get up the...
Yep. And some people don't know, but if you go back through the door, you meet the big guy again. Let's go. So that's the church where Ashley is right now, in the graveyard. There's always one guy in it. And I don't think I've got any room there. No. Okay.
Basta, hijo de puta. Basta, hijo de puta.
And a ruby, please. Thank you. Bitch. Yeah, we can lose a flash grenade, I think. Switch weapons. Mostly because I like to screw around. Got room for it, have I? there's a spinal in there. I don't think you can actually see it though, can you? There is one in there. Get your treasure and down the hole. And again, there's more treasure on the wall.
Got a selection of good. What are you selling? Is that all, stranger?
Little fish. Yeah, one of them.
Ah, I'll buy it at a high price. Thank you.
Alright, let's go back and get the shotgun. It's a bit tight, I know, but, you know, every little helps. Keep selling it. Keep adding that money on.
Welcome. Got a selection of... What are you selling?
One of them.
Ah, is that all, stranger? Thank you. What are you buying?
Is
An awesome choice, stranger. It's got a 3-round rapid-fire capability, although it uses up ammo rather quickly.
yeah, which is why I don't have it.
Come
I'll
back
stick when they're ready. I like this. Hopefully, at some point in the game, when we get updates, we'll be able to get the Chicago typewriter, which is a machine gun, and normally you can get it unloaded by completing different things. Not sure what we'll have to complete to get that. We'll give it a go. I think Mercenaries is coming out later in the year for this as a free update. So... 8, one over here. 9, 10. So that's the 10 that we need. We get a free weapon now. Always go for the guy with the stick of dynamite. You hit the dynamite, you kill all three, saving ammo again. Again, only if you're playing the first rounds. This is another cat's eye for the beer stein. So you want to do 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side. And then 1 more on this side. And that should just unlock. Yay! Just the yellow cat's eye to find. I think we get that one just after the ski lifts. Yeah. And there's always a snake in here, so bang bang. Here, when you're first playing, flash grenade straight into the middle of that lot, kills them all. But so does this. And the reason I say use a flash grenade is because you get one back. Go sell it. Just to give us more room. Always pop round the back of here. There's a barrel.
Got a selection of good things. What are you selling? Is that all, stranger? Thank you.
And
what are you buying?
Because we shot the 10 blue medallions, we should have a Punisher. There we go.
Wise choice, mate. Its ammo will penetrate just about anything.
So, cost is 0. Buy it.
Thank you. What are you selling?
Then, because we don't need it, we can instantly sell it. Thank you. Yeah, get ready to run. I wish once we completed it once we could actually like switch off those cutscenes. Just sort of stay in the game, stay immersive. Come on, fella. Help me with this. You're only good at bomb disposal. Come on. A bit more. Excellent. One in here. Another snake in there. There we get all the fellas running down. Oopsie. Let me shoot him in the balls. Close enough.
¡Un forastero!
Alright, that is dangerous.
¡Allí está!
Grenade. Let me pop round the back here. Another snake, maybe. Another bird's nest. Get the antique pipe. Now, obviously, I just collect them up for the sake of collecting them, but early on in the game, you want to collect all this so you can sell it, get more money, get more weapons, power-ups.
¡Allí está!
Whoopsie.
¡Un forastero!
And another snake. And this leads us up to the lake. I actually hate this part. This part still makes me feel a little bit sick when I play it, but you gotta do it. Sadly, it lasts quite a while as well.
Vámonos. Ok, ándale.
And here he comes. Alright, there's a red herb over here somewhere. There we go. Like that. Collect the ring. Oh, it says gold bangle with pearls. I always thought it was a ring. Organise all the stuff. All right. Now, what a lot of people don't know is when you do this section, it takes you off over there, and there's a gate, and people go straight through it. But if you look over there, there's some bars. That opens up after you complete this bit and end up over there. And there's a merchant in there, and one of the gems. There's also an achievement that you can get here. Don't shoot the water. So, let's shoot the water. This bit still freaks me out even now. Ugh.